Yeah, first sign of flooding here, just after Velbrook. Yes, that's significant.
Oh, it's a bit bad here, isn't it?
Yeah. Still going up. I'm not surprised up here because this is some way up the hill, isn't it?
Yeah, that's just running down.
Oh, gosh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll go over as far as I can. Right now.
Yes, it's just a general stream down on the left-hand side of the road. Could be draining out of the fields, perhaps. Yeah, that's why the bus was going slow. Probably been warned to take it carefully. Look, even across the other side of the road here, where we're somewhere up the hill. That was worse than I was expecting. Really?
Yeah.
Up here. Of course, you can feel it holding the car back, can't you? With the, I think there must be some debris on the road because it's quite bumpy. Earth and stuff washed out of the fields.
Where's this side, isn't it? This
Yeah.
side's alright. You're better going back anyway.
See some pebbles and stuff in the middle of the road. Oh yeah, look at all the rocks there that washed out. Goodness me, down here.
Bit better now,
Yeah,
bit of excitement.
yeah. Certainly passable, but I'm surprised how
Yeah, it's better going back the other because the other side was better.
so flooded, it's so high up. This is about 3 hours later, and we've been all the way into Minehead, and this section here is the only place where there's any significant flooding. What's it like now, 3 hours later?
And go straight up. It was a bit further round, wasn't it? Well, it's been quite warm and sunny really, so
Is there anything left now? And
probably not.
I do
Well, you
believe,
know how quickly the sun can dry it up.
yeah, I do believe it's gone, hasn't it?
Nothing to film, not yet anyway. All dried up now in the sunshine.
No, it is, it's
All
all
dried
gone.
up now.
Yeah, no.
Won't take long in the sunshine and the wind.
No, nothing left now, so that's the end of the flooding, we hope. Until the winter.